Hello guys, it's your travel boy. Today I'm taking another flight from Bangalore to Mumbai on board Indigo Airlines. At the terminal, once you get in, check-in is nice and efficient, but I found the security to be slow. There's only one last, but there are plenty of duty-free and options for food. Overall, it is a very bright and nice terminal. One thing that I did not like was the dreadful legroom on this flight was quite decent, good for a low-cost carrier. This was the Hello 60 magazine, which contained Indigo's duty-free and menu. Although I didn't buy anything, it was fun to flip through. We flew over some gorgeous mountains on this route. You can't really try to get a photo scene either, so you recommend it.
Merchandise product for sale for today's flight. Add beauty to your nails with the Deborah Milano nail kit. It includes 3.
Like some other low-cost carriers, it still has small tray tables, but since I didn't eat anything on this flight, it didn't appear to be a problem to me. So overall, I think I will recommend Indigo Airlines for this route, but it may get a little boring on some longer routes. The service was great, outstanding. It is actually comparable to some of my flights in the Middle East in terms of service. Bangalore airport was great. It was slightly delayed because of heavy traffic in Mumbai, but other than that, and maybe a few tiny bumps along the way, everything was great. Quick shout out to my brother who recorded all of this for me. He was super kind in doing that. And please let me know if you like the voiceover in this video, or do you want me to go back to the old captions that I used to do in my previous videos? Leave your opinion down in the comments below. Okay, it's your travel boy. I'll see you guys probably in another 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.